I had no idea it was coming at all.
I took the pregnancy test and I was in shock. I started crying. I didn't know what to do.
It's really important to maintain faith in yourself, that you really have the strength and the ability to make things better. And also, there's people out there that want to help you make things better. Change and hard times are really inevitable. It's how you handle the changes that really can make a difference. When there's an overwhelming or traumatic or challenging event in your life, it's normal to feel anxious or worried or sad or out of sorts or overwhelmed. That's totally normal. What is difficult and may be a problem is if that goes on for a long time, or if you don't learn ways to manage it and you don't reach out and get help so that you can get back on track and use it as an opportunity to develop some skills that'll help you throughout life when you encounter change and problems.
My name is Jessica. I live with my parents. Growing up, family was always a really important thing, and it still is. My father had his own business. We lived in a big house. We were comfortable, and everything took a turn. We went bankrupt, and we lost the business and our house. Things were rough. My mother, she had a relapse. It was weird because I had never seen that side of her before. I didn't grow up with her being an addict. It was really rough to see her like that, to see her sick, and it was just kind of me trying to cope with it and hold everything together and make sure my father was okay and make sure my mother was okay and try to worry about myself being okay, but that really wasn't a priority. It brought me to a really dark place because I didn't know, like, am I going to wake up tomorrow and is my mother going to be dead? It really did affect my high school experience because I've always been a very outgoing person. I think the worst thing that I did when it came to coping was holding it in to try and hold everyone else together. And I just kind of sunk into my shell. I'd be depressed all day and I would be crying all day, and I completely shut the world out. It was more of a sense of feeling like I wasn't good enough for my mother to turn her life around, feeling that if she had a choice between me and drugs, she would choose drugs. What really was a turnaround for me is that I realized